What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, except for you that are joining me for the first time. If it's your first time joining me, we basically talk about money on this channel and money related items, things like this. And if that's the things that you're into, you're in the right place. So stick around, check out the video, and give me a chance to earn a like and a subscribe. All right, in today's video, we diving into the world of crypto, particularly the crypto crash that is currently happening. So of course, you got Bitcoin. That's the most well-known cryptocurrency. So you'll hear me reference it a lot. But I do understand that there's dozens, if not hundreds, of other crypto coins. But I just want to give a little information on where this crash is headed, when may be the time for you to buy, and how long you can look to stay in. But before I do, quick disclaimer. This is information. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for information and entertainment purposes only. Now, let's just jump right into it. Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency, and it's the one that most people know. It's been on a heck of a slide. It's peaked at about $70,000. Currently, it's in the 18,000s. Recently, Goldman Sachs had a bearish outlook for Bitcoin and crypto in general. They're forecasting that Bitcoin could fall to as low as $12,000. Remember, it got as high as 70 grand. It's currently in the 18,000s. In addition to that, President Joe Biden has sent a stark warning to the crypto and Bitcoin community in general. Okay, and I'm going to read what President Biden had to say in his warning. The Bitcoin price has crashed under $20,000 per coin. It's dropped from almost $70,000 as the market wrestles with the Federal Reserve's string of interest rate hikes that could mean more volatility for Bitcoin. Now the Biden administration has instructed U.S. government agencies to double down on Bitcoin and crypto enforcement, potentially putting the $1 trillion market on a collision course with the regulators after the White House Office of Science and Technology suggested Bitcoin be banned. Let me just put this real plainly, guys. Joe Biden does not like crypto. The American government does not like crypto because the American government likes to regulate everything, and crypto is not regulated. So that's just good for you to know. The government does not like crypto. Now, as far as how far can this thing slide and when is it going to come back and how high will it go, let's take a look at a couple charts because that really is a key source of our data. So the first chart that I have up here is the weekly chart for Bitcoin. This is a weekly chart going back for basically 2022, the entire year so far, back to approximately October 2021, so about 12 months. The red line I have at the bottom is the 200-week moving average. The blue line, which is at the top, is the 50-week moving average. The story tells itself. It's been in a slide for a while. It peaked back in November or so of 2021 at $68,000, and it's been on a slide down ever since. So currently we're in the 18,000s. The price is going below the 200-week moving average, and the 50-week moving average is moving towards that. For those that don't know, this is known as a death cross, and letting you know that the price is definitely going into negative price strength, and it actually already has because it's below the 200-week moving average. It's hard to say where it's going to go from here, but because of all the volatility due to the economic unrest, inflation, crummy job data, and some shifting and changing in the housing market, I see Bitcoin and crypto as a whole staying bearish for a little while. Now we can actually look at the previous year. Now this is the previous year, basically going from October of 2020 through around August or so of 2021. You can see that for most of 2020, Bitcoin was pretty flat along with a lot of the other cryptocurrencies. We were just getting into the pandemic and everything, and it soared near the end of 2021, near the end of 2020. And by the beginning of 2021, it had gotten up to $64,000, and it fell again and rose again and fell again and kind of went through that pattern. Guys, this is the thing with crypto. Right now, we got economic uncertainty all over the place. Okay, crypto could go lower or it could have a rally. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm personally doing. I'm going to stick to the same principles that I use when buying and trading stocks. You buy when it is grossly oversold at or below support, and you sell when it starts to reach overbought status. And you use only funds that you don't need to see right away, because this crypto market could stay down for a little while. So I wouldn't use money that I need back in a couple weeks or even a couple months. It could be a long hold, it could be a short hold, but do your due diligence, check your charts, buy when it's extremely oversold. That principle is the same whether you buy in crypto or stocks. You don't want to buy when it's at the top, because the people that bought when it got to $68,000 are, if they didn't get out, they're feeling like they're going to be in this for a good long while, and it ain't a good feeling just to try and get even, averaging down and things like that. The other thing is, don't put the entire amount in that you have to spend at one time. Start off with a partial position, and then if it pulls back, it gives you an opportunity to average down a little bit and improve your position for the long haul. But I think this could be for a little while, guys. This is not going to be something that gets corrected next week or even next month. So that's my take on it. I don't know what you think, but I'd like to know, how far down do you think this crypto market is going to go? How long do you think it'll stay there? Leave it in the comments, drop a question, drop an emoji, and I will respond to every comment that I see. So that's all I got for this video, guys. But hey, if crypto isn't your thing, maybe it's the stock market. Check out this video and you can learn a little bit more about that. Until then, I'm gone.